Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current air temperature coming in at 65 degrees with a dew point value coming in at 58. That's very comfortable. When you have dew point values in the 50s, you can't go wrong. We will, I think, over the course of the next several days, see our dew points kind of rise a little bit up to around, probably mid-60s by the time we get to midweek. But still, that's pretty comfortable, and I think as we head through the remainder of the work week, it's still going to feel okay, even though our air temperatures are going to go way up there by midweek. East wind continues at about 7. That easterly wind, one of the reasons we have the drier air in place. It's also one of the reasons why, as we head into midweek, we'll get a little bit more surface moisture in, because it'll take some time, but that east wind will transport some Atlantic moisture across the state and into our neck of the woods. It's just going to take some time. High pressure, the dominant weather feature, brings pretty quiet conditions across the entire deep south, mid-Atlantic, and Florida peninsula at this hour. Now, not everywhere across the United States are they enjoying such quiet conditions. We have an area of low pressure spinning in the northeast, still producing some rain showers up there. And then back to the west, we even have some snow showers in some of the higher elevations. Winter storm warnings were up for parts of the northern tier in the Pacific Northwest over the weekend at high elevations anyway. But on the open plains, that's where our eyes will be watching this week, as there's the potential really anywhere from the lower Great Lakes all the way into areas around Kentucky, Tennessee, around areas of Kansas City, Nebraska, areas of Arkansas, Missouri, for the potential of some severe weather today. There could be, in fact, tornado outbreak a little bit later on this week, particularly probably by about Wednesday, I think, will be a big tornado day in that section of the country. We are looking at temperatures that climb steadily throughout the day today. By 9 a.m., about 72 degrees. And then as we head into the noontime hour under full sunshine, we'll be up to about 85. Sunny and dry and warm right straight through the entire week, it looks like, with our high today at around 87. If we hit that, it's about 5 degrees above our normal daytime high for this time of year. And then we'll taper that off as we head into 7 p.m. to about 82, which would actually be our average high for this time of year. 64 degrees Mayaca City, Arcadia coming in at 65, 66 in Northport, 68 in Venice, 69 in Inglewood, 69 Longboat Key. And this represents about a 2 to 3 degree temperature increase over the course of the last 24 hours. So well on our way to hitting those temperatures that are about 5 degrees above average. Across the nation currently, it's that area of low pressure back to the west that will produce the potential for severe weather over the next 3 days in parts of the midsection of the country. For us, the area of low pressure of the trough in the upper atmosphere spinning off the northeast draws down that high pressure ridge, and that high sits over us right straight through the week ahead. It's going to be kind of anchored here, and it'll keep other systems from approaching us. Really, not until the weekend do we have the possibility of a front even getting close to us. So that's one reason that we'll have to keep an eye on a couple of things this week. One will be the fire danger index, which I think will continue to rise. The other will be the air quality index, which could become perhaps something of an issue as we head into midweek. We'll see how the winds play into that. Sunny and dry today, little bit higher humidity over the next several days, but not significantly so that it will make it feel really sticky. And then rain-free week ahead as we head into the weekend, maybe a few extra clouds around. Northeast wind comes in at about 5 to 10. It's a light wind today, and that's one of the reasons the red flags are not being flown for high fire danger, even though the fire danger index continues to increase and rise. Today, 87 degrees. Tomorrow, about the same as we head into midweek. Higher still, with some temperatures getting pretty close to the 90-degree mark, I suspect, by midweek. And then as we head into the weekend, a little more humidity, a few more fair weather clouds, but temperatures remain on the warm side of average.